Bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too, kinda quintessential, and you love in you, baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you see, I have stretched hair and I am going to be doing a bun mohawk updo. So to achieve this look, I am starting off with just parting my hair like in a U shape here in the front first. And then after I part that section, I am just going to be tying this in a ponytail to get it out of the way. What you see me doing here is creating another section. So all I'm doing is just creating 3 parts. And I suck at parting my hair, especially in the back. The back of my hair is like the thickest part of my hair. So I did need some assistance. That's why I called on hubby. So he's helping me part my hair the best that he can. And he actually did a good job. Thank you, baby. So he is parting my hair. And then so after he do that part, my part is good to go. I give him a little kiss. Mwah, yes. So moving on, I am using the Design Essentials Sleek Edge Control to actually sleek down my hair to make sure that my hair is neat. I am brushing the edge control through to give it a more sleek look. And then all I am going to be doing is putting this part here into a ponytail. So all I'm doing is just repeating these same steps until I actually have 3 ponytails. After I complete all of my ponytails, I'm taking the one in the back and I split that into 2. I'm pinning that out the way and I'm just combing out any kinks that I do have. If you don't get what I'm talking about or saying, just rewind the video back and just keep rewatching. But it's very simple. So I'm just taking this, I'm rolling it under. So I am going in a downward motion and I'm just going to take a bobby pin and just secure that section right there. So now I'm just going to be taking the second half right here. I'm just going to be going in an upward direction and I'm going to be rolling that up, pinning it down to secure. And this is how it should look right here. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing all again. Just splitting this in half, rolling it under, getting my bobby pin, securing it. And then I'm going to take the second half and just do the same thing. Now for this step right here, all I'm doing is just taking my hair and kind of like fluffing it out to the desired look that I'm trying to go for. I'm trying to get it to be more like puffier. So all I'm doing is just playing in it to make sure that it's positioned right. And then after I do that, you can really rock it like this, or you can just like, you know, do some designs to it or whatever. So I'm just laying my edges, and you know me, I like to go all out. If you follow me, you know I am going to be adding, or I did add, some hair jewelry in my hair, and this is the overall finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also share if you like. God bless.